Put him down. Right now.
I told you not to.
You did. Gotta do what you gotta do, though. Remember how I was talking about people out here shooting and shit all the time? Well, it's Sunday afternoon, and yeah. I'm sure you can hear it. Well, this time, I caught him. I already walked up there and I could see the dudes. They're just having a grand old time. If the response time is anything like it's been in the past, they're gonna head out and, you know, be done long before the cops get here. So I'm gonna sit here and wait, because hopefully they get here before they leave. Yeah, this is how I spend my Sundays. No security camera required this time, though. I heard it in my house, and I'm like, what are these dumbasses doing? And seriously, they're up there just having a grand old time. I don't know if you could see or not, but a dude just rode his bike across the street into the desert. What is he doing? I guess he's gonna go tell him to knock it off. Which is doable. It's also a relatively good way to end up dead in the desert. It's like, I'll wait for a little backup. I don't know who that was. That might have been my neighbor. I'm waiting because I want to catch him walking out of the desert into the car. Because I think that's their car, but I'm not 100% sure. It is like right where they are, so it kind of makes sense, but it'd be good to see them walking out to the car and getting in. Especially if I can get it on video. That'd be real good. Hey, put him down. Put him down. Right now. Come here, all of you. Come here. So who the fuck told you this is a shooting range? Wrong. It's a neighborhood. Come here. All of you. Who else has a gun on them? Turn around, lift your shirt. You. Turn around and lift your shirt. Me? Yeah, you. Other side. Keep going. Turn around. All right, you too. So, what the fuck? You don't know those houses right there?
Yeah, the house is right there.
Yeah.
We're shooting this way.
Bullets bounce.
Yeah, if they're...
No, stop. Get your shit and get the hell out of here. Only reason I'm here is because the cops are too fucking busy. So I had to do it myself. Get your shit and get the fuck out.
You're not a cop?
No.
Shut the fuck up and get out of here.
All right, I'll wait for them then. Good to go. If you guys want to do that.
It's Arizona, bro.
But there's houses. This is a city. This is a city. You're not allowed to shoot within city limits.
You're not allowed to shoot at houses.
You're not allowed to shoot within city limits.
What are you doing?
I'm not shooting. You guys are. You guys are not allowed to do this. This is not a shooting range. There's one like 3 miles that way.
There's a mountain right here.
But there's a shooting range 3 miles that way. Why don't you go there?
Why didn't the cops come?
It's even open now.
Why didn't the cops come?
Because they said they're too fucking busy. I just said that shit. Get your shit and get the fuck out. Get your shit and get the fuck out.
You own it here?
It doesn't matter. Get out. No more fucking shooting. This shit's gotta fucking stop.
Right now.
You ain't hiking. I got you guys on video already.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I already got you guys on video and you're right here too. Get the fuck out. Go. If I hear it again, I'll call them again. Go. Get the fuck out. No, they didn't come because they got called on an emergency. Get the fuck out.
You have reached 911. All operators are busy. If you have an emergency, please hold. This message will repeat in Spanish and...
Phoenix 911, where is your emergency?
Can I get transferred to MCSO again, please?
Of course, 1 moment.
Thank you.
You have reached 911. Do not hang up. Your call will be answered in the order it was received. Redialing may cause a delay in your call being answered. This message...
911, where is your emergency?
Hi, it's me again.
Okay, let's see. No, I'm going, oh, they haven't been out there. That's me going,
Yeah.
oh, no.
No, you're good. I know.
Hold on.
I just went and told them to get the fuck off my mountain. And
Okay.
they all said, oh, you're not a cop? I said, no. They said, well, it was the reason they didn't come out here. I'm like, no, it's illegal to shoot in city limits, jackass. And they were like, well, go away. So apparently they want the cops. They don't think there's anything wrong with this.
Let's see where they are.
They definitely need some monetary persuasion to remind them that shooting in city limits is in fact illegal. There's 4 of them, by the way. I said 3 before. I couldn't see the one guy. Dark blue shirt, light shorts, like gray. Older guy, they're all Hispanic, males. Older guy, probably in his late 30s, early 40s. He looks a little older than that, though. Plaid shirt, blue jeans, kind of crew cut hair. Another guy in a maroon hoodie with a black baseball cap. And the 4th guy is in like kind of reddish orange shorts and a light shirt. Oh, and I got everything on video too, by the way.
Okay.
Yep, no problem. Yeah, they got one rifle, looks like AR platform. And they're leaving now. But they're leaving. I'm gonna make sure that this is in fact their car down here. The tan Malibu. And I'm gonna be walking up and down Carver. I have a rifle and body armor as well, so if you get calls, it's just me. Say again? Yes. I'm not gonna go confront armed suspects empty-handed. Come on now, I ain't crazy.
I told you not to.
You did. Gotta do what you gotta do though. And now they're leaving, see? Say again?
I just want you to stay away from them.
Yeah, I know. I'm not crazy vigilante, nothing like that. Just gotta get people to quit being stupid out here. And I'm gonna try to kind of stay in the bushes so traffic doesn't see me. Huh? Phone died. Have a good weekend. I think he called me volunteer sheriff's office. And that is indeed their car. One in the blue flipped me off, one with the rifle. So I waved, said have a nice weekend. I don't think they can open the trunk. I don't know where the one in the red went. I see him. Maybe he got in the car already. Yeah, he got in the front seat. That's right. Let's see which way they go on 51st. My God, these damn dogs. Shut up.
Next 911, where is your emergency?
Transfer me to Maricopa again, please. Thank you.
Where do you need to be transferred to?
Maricopa, MCSO.
Oh, okay. Hold on just one moment.
Thank you. Yeah, I can't see from here. Yeah, I can't see. Damn it. Oh,
You
well.
have reached 911. Not hang up. The order was received. Redialing may cause a delay in your call being answered. This message will proceed in Spanish and TDD tone. Usted se ha comunicado con 911. No cuelgue. Su llamada será recibida. Volver a marcar puede causar un retraso en su llamada respondida. Este mensaje se repite solo desde DD. 911, where's your emergency?
Hi, I got disconnected. I'm sorry.
Okay, what address were you calling in reference to?
Oh, you're not who I was talking to. I'm sorry. Off of. I was
What's your name?
Brent.
Brent?
Yeah.
Okay, your phone number? What's your last name, Brent? Okay, all right, what's going on?
People were out here shooting, and I called probably close to an hour ago, and it got routed to somebody who was on the way. And then I called again, and they said they weren't on the way. So I went up there and told them to leave. I followed them out. The car that I called in, do you see that on the report? The tan Malibu?
I'm looking at it now.
Yeah, that was in fact their car. I have it on video, them getting into it. It is their car. So if
Okay. Did
Phoenix,
they leave?
yes, they left west on
What kind of vehicle did they leave in?
The tan Malibu that was that I called in earlier.
Okay. Later, did you give a test earlier?
Say again?
Were you able to get the license plate, or did you give that to us earlier?
Yeah, I gave it earlier.
Okay. All right. I'll let our deputies know. Did you want contact?
Yes, have them come by my house, please.
Okay. What's your home address? Okay.
In Levine.
All right. I'll let them know.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye bye.
Bye.